Yes.
Ano po ang size na ito?
So me, I make these in 35 gram measurements or by weight. So for me, I think it's a good enough size that you can have one and still want another one. I really enjoy eating things that are bite-sized.
Bite sizes.
Kasi tuloy-tuloy lang ako pag ganun eh. So I didn't want like a giant cookie na I feel like mauumay ako or something. Ganun.
So once na yung a dozen of dough, pag napasok na po sa fridge, ilang days po ang shelf life nito?
So I suggest to keep it in the freezer and it's good for 3 months after the production date. We'll put the production date on the pack para matansya nila. It's actually good naman for longer but I don't want to recommend it just for general safety.
Ma'am, a question. Ano daw pong temperature ninyo pag nag-bake para makuha natin oven po ninyo?
Oh, okay. So, napansin ko yung pinaka-universally trip ng tao is, yung pinaka-universally gusto ng marami, yung medyo chewy siya. So, for that, I recommend 160 degrees Celsius for about 12 minutes kung naka-off yung fan. Kung naka-on yung fan, pwedeng 10 minutes or 8 minutes tapos na yun. Depende kung gaano kalakas yung fan ng oven nyo. But if you want a super crunchy cookie, then I will even do 200 degrees for 8 minutes kung naka-off yung fan. Kung naka-on, 6 minutes tapos na yun for sure.
Right.
Then it gives you that crunchy outside, which personally is not my thing. I like the chewy one.
Yes, me too.
But a lot of people like that crunchy exterior. Yung loob naman is chewy.
Chewy. Oh, yun ang gusto ko. Chewy yung nasa loob. Di ba mas masarap yun, guys? O, sige, huwag kayo sumagot. Okay na. Okay, good.
Actually, yung totoong dahilan kung bakit hindi ako makabake ngayon, walang nagdala ng bikini. Hindi ako nagbe-bake pag walang bikini. So,
Oh my
yun lang
God.
talaga.
Yeah, actually, gusto ko siya itanong sa'yo, Miss Rian.
Ay, so bake na lang?
Going to dust.
Oh.
Okay, sure.
Nag-trending kasi yun, Miss Rian, di ba? Yung outfit mo while baking.
Yes.
Oo, nag-trending yun eh. Kung familiar kayo, i-search nyo lang, Base Bakes.
So actually, mamaya ikukwento ko sa inyo kung paano ako naging accidental business owner
Yes.
of a cookie company. Talagang ginano na lang sa akin ni Lord eh.
Yeah.
Hindi ko naisip na ito pala yung gagawin ko sa aking future. Pero ayun eh, nalatag na eh. So why not? And I enjoy it.
Kasi
For me, nakawala siya ng stress.
Isa ko sa mga